Good morning, KG1. Welcome to our English video. Let's practice our sounds. Look at the screen and say the sound of the letter, like so. S, A, T, P, P, I, I. Now let's do this one more time. We're going to say the sound and the word. Snake, apple, tea, puppy, insect, nut. Very good. That was great. Kit and Sam were playing hide and seek in the garden with Ben. Remember Ben, their little puppy? He grew now and he's a dog. Sam went to hide behind the bush while Kit counted as she hid. Sam noticed that there were lots of tiny caterpillars munching on the leaves of the bush. Can you see the caterpillars? I can see 3 caterpillars. Look at these curly caterpillars, Kit, shouted Sam, coming out from behind the bush. Curly and caterpillar both begin with the k sound. K, k. Caterpillar. Can you hear the sound of the letter C? This is the letter C. The letter C says k, k. It looks just like a curly caterpillar. K. Now let's listen to the song and do the action. Are you guys ready? Let's go!
We are clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets. Clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. See? This is the letter C, and C says k, k, k. Raise your hands and snap your fingers as if you're playing castanets. And say k, k, k. Very good. Now, how can we write the letter C? The letter C is very easy to write. Hold your pointer finger up. Curl around the caterpillar. Hold your pointer finger up and curl around the caterpillar. This is how you write the letter C. Now let's watch this video, and don't forget to bring your marker or your pencil to write and practice writing the letter C.
Hi kids! Welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter C. C is in caterpillar. First we'll start with big or uppercase C. To write uppercase C, we'll start at the top in the corner and then do a curved line all top in the corner, and then do a curved line all the way down to the bottom in the corner. Good job! Now you try. Now let's do lowercase for little c. For lowercase c, we'll start at the middle and do a curved line all the way to the bottom. Let's do that again. Start in the middle and do a curved line all the way to the bottom. Good job! Now you try. Great work! Now you know how to write the letter C.
Now that we've learned the letter C and how to write it, Kit and Sam's caterpillars have spots. Can you put some spots on these caterpillars? Because we're going to learn some words that begin with the letter C. Look for the K sound in the beginning of each word. K. Camel, camel. Can you hear the K in camel? Camel begins with K. Cat, cat begins with K. Cap, cap also begins with K. And car, car begins with the letter C. Listen to the K sound in car, car. Hang on, said Sam. I have something to show you. Sam ran inside the house and came out a few moments later. Look at this, she said. What do you think she's going to bring? Let's see, what did she bring from the house? Sam's in a cab. I have one of those too, said Kit, and he ran to get his cap. Cap. Cap begins with K, the sound of the letter C. Cap. Kit and Sam put their caps on. We are in the Girly Caterpillar Club, they laughed. Look how many caterpillars now are on the bush. Now let's play the game and think and listen to the K sound in each word. Does mouse begin with K? No. Camel. Car. You're right. Car begins with K. Also, cat. Excellent. Can you think of more words that begin with K? Let's see. Camel. Great job. Cap. Does duck begin with K? No. Does goat begin with K? No. Great job. Today we have learned all about the letter C. Capital C, lowercase c. C says K, K, K. We also learned how to write the letter C, and we've learned that camel, car, cat, and cap begins with the letter C. So, before I leave you, let's all dance to this song and see you in the next video.
Let's learn about a letter in the alphabet. It's so much fun. Let's learn about one letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Let's write that letter in the alphabet. It's so much fun letter C.